Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about Laplace transformation in here. So we have so this one that is about first derivative from here and second derivative from here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. About the constant, they should be like this. So if this one is about number 1, we need to transform 1 over h. This one, if number 5, we transform like this. So we need to put Laplace for the both sides. Now this one that is about this one, and this one that is about this one. And this one we have 5 over h. So f of 0, that's about y0 in here, equals to number 2. So we put number 2 in here. This one that is about this one, so we put number 1. This one that is about this one, so I will put number 2. Next, we need to expand. Negative number 2 and positive number 12, we have positive number 10. So f of h, we can do about factorization. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This one we simplify by 2h. Now I will consider about this one and this one. So for this one, we put 2h go outside. I will put number 2 going here. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over h squared, capital B over h, capital C over h minus 3. This one we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about h minus 3. About this one, it is missing about h and h minus 3. This one we have h squared. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h squared, we have b plus c. About h, we have a minus 3b. About the numbers, we have negative 3a. So we compare coefficients in here. We just have only 5 over 2. That means negative 3a equals to 5 over 2. We don't have h squared and h. So this one equals to number 0. This one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So we find A, B, and C. Now we put this one go back in here. So this one, that is about this one. Next, about this one. You can do similar for the first one, and you do about factorization by 2h. So negative number 10 divided by 2, we have negative number 5. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over h, capital B over h minus 3. Now we do common denominator. So this one we multiply by h minus 3. Similar for B. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of h. So we have A plus B. About the numbers, we have negative 3a. And now we need to compare coefficients. We have negative number 5. So only negative 3a equals to negative number 5. We don't have h, so A plus B equals to number 0. And now we find the solutions of A and B. So we put A and B go in here. So we go back in here. This one, that is about this one. And this one, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify this one with this one. You got 25 over 18. This one we have 11 over 18. Next, we need to use about inverse Laplace transformation. Now, about h squared, that is about this one. Now we need to transform back to t to the power of n. So n in here, that's about number 1 and number 1. So you got about number 2 in here. So the first one, that is about negative 5 over 6 t. This one, that is about this one. So we return back to number 1. And the last one, we have h minus 3. So a is about number 3. So we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.